The Khasi Students' Union, KSU, has strongly opposed the entry of foreigners into the doctoral course. The KSU today met with the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Ba Veladmiki Shela, on this issue and demanded that Article 9.6 of the SOP or Standard Operating Procedures formulated by the state government should be repealed. Speaking to media, KSU President Lambok Stawal Marnagar asked the government how it uses to select other ethnic groups to study medicine from the state when there are Khasi who have scored marks to contest in the general category. He said that in fact, the presence of Khasi youths who have entered the general category will open the door for other Khasi Jantia youths to enter the Khasi Jantia category, but the government has blocked those who have entered the general category. 2 foreigners have been admitted to the general category of doctors, and the KSU strongly opposes this because there are no Khasi students who have been admitted to the open category.
Minister of Health and Family Welfare and also with the officials from the Health Department, we put forth certain issues regarding the MBBS, BAMS and BHMS quota. We can see, everybody can understand, even a layman can understand that this quota list is flawed. In the sense that students, in the past it was practice, that students in the Khasi Jantia category can also be in the open category. This will create more opportunities for the natives, for the Khasi Jantia and the Garos of Meghalaya. Because if a Khasi Jantia can get into open category means open for everyone from Meghalaya. If they can get in the open category, then students from the waiting list of Khasi Jantia will get into the selected Khasi Jantia category. And this is not only with MBBS but also with BAMS and BHMS. So we had a thorough deliberation with the officials of the government, and finally the government agreed that this should be changed in accordance with what they have been demanding and in accordance of what was practiced in the past. Although they did mention that a certain clause of the Standard Operating Procedure, that clause 9.6, which mentioned that a student can opt for either open or reserve category. Now, asking a student to opt for such categories is like putting a noose around their necks. You see, because a student will always choose a category that will increase his or her chance of getting a seat. There is only 15% open and 40% Khasi Jantia, 40% Garo. So naturally a student will opt for 40% because his chances are high. And this in turn will debar all the students from getting seats in the Khasi Jantia or Garo category. So we are demanding from the government that a certain clause of the SOP should be scrapped, and they said that they will look into the matter.
Regarding
2 non-tribal students, one number 13, one is number 14. We are asking the government that the number 1 student in the selected Khasi Jantia category should be number 13 in the open category. And that number 13 in the open category should be serial number 14 in the open category. So they are agreeing to that.
we have seen
Agree, but serial number will be changed to 14. Number 13, number 1 from selected Khasi Jantia Garo will come. And waiting list, 2 people in the waiting list. There are 8 students in the selected Khasi Jantia category. They should be replaced by those 8 students who have higher need score than them. However, even though those students from the selected Khasi Jantia category, if they are in the waiting list of the open category, they will still be there in the Khasi Jantia category, selected Khasi Jantia category, because that is the procedure that has been followed in the past. Pak Paul Lindo and Pak Tipi Walang, and then Pak Paul was dropped from the cabinet, and then Pak Tipi Walang retired. So we took up this matter once again with the current health minister, and he had agreed to follow this issue and to continue the process of what has been followed by Pak Paul and Pak Tipi Walang. Regarding NEA, we are complaining that even though undergraduates they have seats, they have quota for the Meghalaya students, but postgraduate we don't have quota. So NEA is located here in our state, even though it is a central institute, but we feel that seats should be allocated for the students of Meghalaya in postgraduate. And they have agreed that they will take up the matter with the Union Ministry.
Would the KSU will flow